Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, what's right, good people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another episode. I got these 2020 Subaru Impreza. Hello, how you been? Welcome back. Alright. So right now, right here, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change, how to reset the oil life. Alright, so stay tuned. Other than that, hey, don't forget to support the channel, okay? Support the channel, do that, okay? Join the community channel too, alright? And did I say subscribe, like the video, share the video, the feedback, put in the comment box. Join the community channel, do that. Watch the whole ad, okay? That's how you support the channel. Watch the whole ad. When the ad comes and you feel tired, go stretch the leg, let the ad run, let the propaganda, the commercial run, know what I'm saying? Go do your thing, get a drink, smoke a Lucy, whatever, then come back and finish this, alright? This is easy. I'm gonna show you how to do it like a pro. Shout outs to my subscribers, okay? Let's get it. So the engine was cold, so I was a little idle for a minute, okay? I'm gonna shut it down. Right here, this is how you open the hood. Coming through here to the front engine compartment. That's the latch right there. You're gonna have to use that kickstand. Alright. Now the good thing about this engine, besides of the I'll tell you that later though. But the oil filter is right here. Alright. Engine oil cap. It's hard. Pulse 0W20. That's the type of oil it's gonna take. I'm gonna grab this. This is how I'm gonna open it. Just like that. 0W20 engine oil. You're gonna put your oil there, alright? Okay, the battery is about to die too. I'm not gonna do that now. Radiator cap, coolant reservoir, which is empty, as you can see. Windshield fluid come through here. Oil dipstick, air filter, the intake manifold. Did I say oil filter? This is the air filter. Alright. I'm gonna use this guy. Through here. Oh, okay. Now right there. How hard it was, right? You saw how hard it was, so I'm gonna use this one. This one I customized it. I cut it here in the claws, so you have a better grip. Alright. There you go, you see it? Now wait. Don't open it all the way though. This is gonna start leaking around. Just open a little bit though. A little bit. They always gonna start falling in the okay, so don't open it all the way, okay, be careful, right? You don't want to be cleaning all that. It's up to you though. So you come through here, there's the oil drain plug. This is what we're gonna do, alright? 14mm raining there, so you can see. Because a lot of people are like, yo, you don't drain the oil all the way. I'm like, of course I do. And I'm about to show you. Alright, I'm gonna leave it run for a minute. Pause it though, okay? Because probably you don't want to waste time here. Alright, is that enough? Because, see, the engine was running, right, for a hot minute while I was doing the intro and all that, so. And the oil is hot, so. Hey. What else you need, what else you want? Just ask, because I got it. I got it like that. You need stop it right there. Let's do it. Stop it right there. Put the oil drain plug back. Tight it, tight it, snug it with your 14mm socket. You know what I'm saying? Don't tight it like crazy though, okay? Don't be like that. That's good. Not a test. And yeah, let's go to the top and put the new oil filter and the oil. You need. All right. Now we're gonna remove the oil filter. Okay. And it's not gonna overflow because it's empty. You know what I'm saying? Rag, wipe it around, you know what I'm saying? Pulse. You see it good. Now let me show you the new oil filter. Parts Master, alright. 67356 ED. Boom. Alright. We're gonna put some oil here. You can use this, alright. Like that. A lot of people are like, yo, Axtuo, you don't lube the oil ring. I'm like, come on, dog. You see what I'm doing, yo? So now, put it like that. Okay. Snug it good by hand. I don't use tools because then it's gonna get hard like pulse. Like the last time. Okay. Now, let's see how much oil it takes. Right here, I'm gonna pour 4.4. Grab your funnel, put it there in the mouth, pulse. 4.4 quarts of 0W20. 0W20 comes right up. Gotta go to the back. Second. Small juice. Because I got the juice. You know I'm never gonna lose. All I gotta do, I hope I don't burn my hand. This is gonna be the blooper part. Blooper. Just gonna put it right here. 4 point. This is what I'm gonna use now. Alright. 4. Boom. Chug it. Look, you hear that? Pause. That's it? No, never mind. That's it. Gloop 3000. You know where to get it? You know where to get it, girls? The Gloop 3000. Alright, girls? You know where to find me? Nah, I'm just kidding. Just kissing. Shout outs to, subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Hey, you better join the channel. It's gonna help you a lot. Join the community channel. There's 3 levels. Okay. Each level is different. The basic you get the perks is still good though. Alright, because if you have a problem, you're doing a job, right? You're doing a job and you stuck, you don't know how to do it. We can chat live. You know what I'm saying? You heard that? We can chat live. You know? And when we do that, I'm gonna walk you through it. I'm gonna walk you through the problem. I'm gonna walk you through the thing. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna do it together. Pause. Alright. This is, what is this? Do you remember which chord this is? Is this the 3rd? Hold up, dog. And this is the 4th. I knew it. I'm just testing you. Cause now alright, here it comes. The 0.3. Oh, 0.4. This is 4.4 quarts, right? So it's gonna be, you see this? It's gonna be around here, okay? And here it comes. Pause. Should be good. Alright. I have one left. That's for the house. Throw away the pots. Get your funnel. Put it away. You have to put this back though, okay? Because if you don't and you start the car, all the oil is gonna come out. It's gonna splash. You're gonna, by that time you're gonna be in the car, in the driver's seat, so it's gonna splash all this. You're gonna make a mess. Let me start the car, okay? Let's do shit up. Fuck up. I'm gonna let it idle for a minute, right? Meanwhile, I'm gonna do this, okay? You should do the same. Check your fluids and all that, right? Okay, it's been a minute. I'm gonna check that. It's been a minute. Pull this out. This is the oil dipstick. Wipe it, okay? This is oil, engine oil here. So, wait a minute. Just wait a minute. I'm saying, while the oil. Wait a minute, so the oil drip into the, fall into the oil pan. So, alright, it's been a minute. Pop that, pop. Am I good or not? Am I good? It's supposed to be right here because the first dot is here. This is second. Am I good or not? Am I good or not? Alright. That's it, cut. Okay, guys. Welcome back. I'm not gonna show you how to do how to reset the oil life in this one because there's none. So okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. Alright. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? Shout outs to the subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all you do for me. And yeah, shout outs to them. Shout outs to my haters. Thank you for the hate. I take that too. I take it all. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the join. Hey, if you wanna give thanks, since I did this for free, right below this video there's a heart. It says thanks. Click on that. Alright. And that's kinda like you wanna support the channel like that, you know what I'm saying? Support the channel like that by buying some type of tips, you know what I'm saying? Leave the tip on the table. Do that. Okay. Like, share, and the feedback put in the comment box. Do that for the channel. Okay. Let me grow. Let me grow. Oh. Gas to shut the fuck up. I'm gonna leave it right here. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, you know what time it is. Alright, I'm out, D, clocking out. Yeah.